Good morning, all of you. Welcome to new session of economics. I am Professor Pallavi Devkate, and in today's session, we see the first topic from Elective Econ 354, that is agribusiness management, meaning, definition, and components of agribusiness management system. Okay, first of all, we come to know what is meant by agribusiness management. So, this agribusiness management comprises of two words, that is agriculture and business. So, we see one by one these two words. First one, that is agriculture. So, this agriculture is nothing but the growing of various crops on a field. Also, it includes rearing of animals, then forestry, fishery, and other related activities. That is the definition of agriculture. The art of cultivating various categories of crops, including animal husbandry, forestry, fishery, and other related activities. Okay. Second word, that is business. So business, it is an economic unit that aims to sell goods and services to the customers at the prices that will provide an adequate return to its owner. That means the business include those human activities related to production of goods and services and ideas with a view to earn profit. That means, in short, business means any activities that can be conducted for earning profit, that is called as business. Okay, after agriculture and business, we see the meaning of agribusiness. So agribusiness is very vast and complex concept. It includes not only those who farm the land, but also the people and firms that provide the input such as seeds, chemicals, fertilizer, credit, etc. Process the output such as milk, grain, meat, etc. Manufacture the food product, for example, ice cream, bread, breakfast cereal, etc. And transport and sell the food product to the consumer, for example, restaurant and supermarkets. After meaning of agribusiness, we see the different definition of agribusiness which are given by different scientists. So first definition of agribusiness, which is given by Goldberg and Davis during 1957. So he defined agribusiness is the sum total of all operations involved in manufacturing, distribution, and production of farm commodity and items made from them. For example, agricultural chemical company, biotechnological firms, agro-processing firm, etc. Another definition of agribusiness, which is given by Paul Roy, and he defined agribusiness is the coordinating science of supplying agricultural production inputs and subsequently producing, processing, and distributing food and fiber. After definition, we see the history of agribusiness. Agribusiness developed from farm family. During 1957, the concept of agribusiness was first evolved in Harvard University by John Davis and Goldberg. They wrote one book named as A Concept of Agribusiness. After that, during 1966, ABM program introduced in University of Philippines for UG level. Next, during 1969, first advanced agribusiness management seminar was held in Manila, and nowadays there are lots of agribusiness colleges were started in India as well as in Maharashtra. Objectives of agribusiness, in which we see the different objectives of agribusiness. In that first objective, that is to develop competitive and sustainable private sector leads to agribusiness sector. Second one, increase the productivity or reduce the yield gap. Third objective is to commercialization of agriculture and advance high potential sectors such as horticulture, livestock, fisheries, etc. Next objective is to use of modern technology. Next one, reducing cost of production. Next objective is value addition, that is related with processing. And last objective, that is to increase the export of agriculture. These are the different objectives of agribusiness. After objective, we see the agribusiness system. So first of all, definition of agribusiness system. So this agribusiness system, it includes all the firms involved in manufacturing and supplying inputs and services for agricultural production, and that handles or process the farm output until they reach to the final consumer. Components of agribusiness system. There are major 4 components of agribusiness system. In that, first one, agricultural input sector. Second one, production sector, which is also called as farming sector. Third one, processing sector, or which is also called as manufacturing sector. And fourth one, that is marketing sector, or it is also called as distribution sector. So success of each sector is depends on proper functioning of other sectors. Okay, we see one by one different components of agribusiness system. In that, first sector, that is agricultural input sector. This sector produces and supply farm input such as fertilizers, chemicals, seeds, feed and farm machineries which are used by production sector of agribusiness. The input farms are the major part of agribusiness and produces approximately 75% of all the inputs currently used in a production. The growth in input sector exceed the growth in other sectors of agribusiness system in the most of the country. Improvement in quality of purchase inputs have been a large source of efficiency gains for entire system. Okay, this is all about input sector. That means in short, this input sector basically related with production and supply of input to the production sector. After input sector, next sector is production sector. It is also known as farming sector. So this sector aim at producing crops, livestock and other product. The agricultural production sector has been cause of much of change in agribusiness. They in turns have been changed by development in other areas of agribusiness, particularly in technology. Nowadays, agriculture is fastest commercialized sector and farm production is getting transferred to manufacturing and processing sector. The domestic consumers also search the new growing global market. A new trend in diversification of farm is from high volume low value to low volume high value crop is experienced in the countries like India. In short, this production sector is related with production of different crops or production of different livestock and their product and other products. Third sector, that is processing sector. It is also called as manufacturing sector. So this sector includes all the individuals and firms that process the raw agricultural commodities into the final product. For example, wheat into the flour, raw milk into pasteurized milk, and manufacturing food product such as bread ice cream, which are made available to the final consumer. This sector also gives employment to the millions of people in variety of business such as fruit and vegetable processing plants, supermarkets, and also fast food restaurant. The business in this sector acquire raw agricultural commodities from producers and then process them into the food product that are sold at a time, at a place, and in the forms that are desired by the consumer. This sector also attracting the multinational companies like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Lever, Kellogg's, Dalmil, etc. Okay, in short, processing sector includes all the firms that are engaged in conversion of raw material into the final product which are made available to the final consumer. This is all about processing sector. After processing sector, next sector, that is marketing sector. It is also called as distribution sector. So this marketing sector contribute at each level of agribusiness development, that is from input supply to the production sector, from production sector to processing sector, from processing sector to consumption sector, and millions of peoples and firms are engaged in this sector. On one hand, this sector make available farm inputs to the production sector, and on the other hand, this sector make available processed product to the final consumer. This sector include different types of industries such as packing industry, transportation, warehouse, advertising company, insurance company, wholesale firm, retail outlet, etc. All are the part of this sector. Marketing sector, it is one of the most important sector in agribusiness system because it covers all about the sectors which connects the production sector, input sector as well as processing sector. So it is one of the most important sector in agribusiness system. Okay, this is all about the first topic, that is agribusiness management, which covers the meaning, definition of agribusiness, then history of agribusiness, objectives of agribusiness, then agribusiness system, which covers the four major sectors of agribusiness such as input sector, production sector, processing sector, marketing sector, and distribution sector. Okay, this is all about this topic. The question may be asked on this topic like define agribusiness and explain different components of agribusiness system. Okay, thank you.